Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripting. Today we are going to learn about moving files into the folders using the bash script. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So moving files into the folders. So first we have to create the directory. Make directory -p text files. So create a directory to move the files into. So first we create the directory text files. Then move .txt files to the text files directory. Okay, move .txt, whatever txt files we have, you should move to that directory. Let's have a look on that one. Copy this and go to our file, and here we go with this one. So currently we have a .txt file in the folder is like over here. Where is bash? We have only one txt file, test.txt. Let's see it will move to that folder or not. Save this. Okay, let's run this. Okay, let's have a look. So we have a text files folder, and here test.txt file is move, right? Very easy, very simple. What we have done, make directory -p text files, move .txt files into the text file directory with the help of mv, that is move star whatever the extension is .txt, and the folder destination. So this is the destination folder, so you have to move .txt file to that folder. Okay, very easy. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. One more thing here, but I have already explained all of the part, like here the bin bash declares the script to be interpreted by the bash. Make directory -p text file creates a directory named text files. If it does not exist, -p option ensures no error if it already exists. So -p over here, that means that if it does not exist, it doesn't exist, -p option ensure that the no error if it is already exists, right? And then mv star .txt files move all the files with the .text extension to the text files directory. Okay, if you want to move a specific files or files from a specific directory, you can modify my mv command accordingly for the instance. Okay, in that case, if you want to move specific files or files from the specific directory, you can modify that one. So suppose we are creating we have already created the destination folder. Okay, move specific files to the destination folder directory. Okay, so I want to move specific files, not all the text files. I want to move some specific folder files. So let's create one and try to do that. Okay, so here we will copy this and go to our code base. Okay, so here we have to make that, otherwise we will create a new directory and move the specific let's create one of the more file. Okay, open terminal, touch rajnikant dot txt. Okay, then we will add rajni dot php file I want to move. Okay, these are two files, right? Created. Let's, I want to move some specific files to that folder. Suppose I want to move rajni dot php. Okay, so what I will have to do, let's go to the code level. So here I need to add the path. Okay, so here we go with control L. This is my path. So here I will add my path over here. Only one file I want, so just bash slash rajni dot php, right? And what's my destination folder would be text files. Okay, here I mentioned save this. Let's check this one. Let's see, rajni dot php is also moved over here, right? Because first command is execute, that text.php should also go with that. Okay, so here we will move this file here. Okay, let's create a new directory over here. This is text files. Here we will go with the php. Okay, and we will make the file into the php. Okay, let's save this and let's try to run this. Cannot start .txt, no such file directory. Okay, because there is no text file over here, right? So let's go and check. We have a PHP file, russian.php should be over there, right? You can see if you want to move the specific file also, you can also do that one. Okay, with the help of this is your which file you want to move, on which directory you want to move, so you can do that one. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.